Machu Picchu with of the seven wonders of the world do you think is most wonderful wonder of your with Machu Picchu is testimonial to the value and vision that the Incas and of engineered and the also some of the most amazing instructors on the world. The Machu Picchu National Park hosts the Guayana Picchu Mountains. This mountain is so popular that if you want to come in next section, tickets must be booked 6 months in evaluate what is the purpose if the city was with a stones assembly technique Kajet the perfect fit of this was and the slim inclination is still machinate the speed is location between two geological faults and from the top of Machu Picchu you can see human face profiles in the conformation of the mountain. The face of the Incas is incredible, do not? What makes all it wonder? Where are you there?